In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Slides. Whether you're giving a classroom presentation or discussing quarterly projections with your team, tables are a fantastic way to organize information and make it visually appealing. Let's dive into how you can easily add one to your presentation. First, start by opening your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't yet created one, you can do so by entering slides.google.com in your browser and hitting blank to start a new presentation. Once you're in, decide which slide you'd like to place your table on. Navigate to the slide by clicking on it in the slide navigation pane to the left of the interface. Now at the top of the screen, you will see a menu bar. Look for the Insert option on that menu and click on it. This will drop down several options for you to choose from. Hover your mouse over Table. A grid will appear, allowing you to select the number of rows and columns you want for your table. For instance, if you needed 3 rows and 4 columns, simply glide your cursor to highlight the appropriate number of boxes and click. Your table, set to the dimensions you selected, will automatically appear on your slide. Once the table is on your slide, you might want to adjust its size or position to better fit your layout. To do that, click and drag the small squares or handles along the edges of the table. This will allow you to make your table bigger or smaller. You can also click and drag the entire table to move it to a different part of the slide if necessary. With your table in place, you can start entering data. Click inside any cell to begin typing. You can input anything from text to numerical data, depending on what your presentation requires. If you find that your text is too large or small, remember you can adjust the font size by highlighting the text and selecting a new size from the toolbar at the top. And that's it. You've successfully added a table to your Google Slides presentation. This straightforward process can be repeated on additional slides as needed. Tables are highly customizable, so take some time to format it to match the design of your slide for a cohesive and professional look. For any questions or more tips on enhancing your presentations, feel free to ask or explore additional resources. Your slides are now equipped to present data and concepts clearly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.